Welcome to Japanese Class 101 and to this third lesson concerning the body parts. In a few moments, different body parts will appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those body parts in Japanese. Try to repeat after me. Hip, hip, onaka, onaka, nodo, nodo, oyayubi, oyayubi, hone, hone, shita, shita, hige, hige, kuchihige, kuchihige. Now it's your turn to try. These same body parts will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you'd like to learn more about Japanese or learn about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.